Hey guys, it's me Athav and welcome back to our channel Gossipfunda. So in this video we are going to fix the issue of newly installed app not automatically showing on home screen. So let's get started. This is a very common problem which many people face, that when they install a new app it does not automatically come on home screen. So there is a very easy fix for it. So I'll show you how to do it. First of all, go to your phone's settings. So in settings, look for home screen. So here you can see the home screen and lock screen. Click here. So in home screen settings, you have to find a setting which is like this: add apps to home screen. It may vary differently for other phones, but you will find it in home screen settings only. So in my phone, it's given in this app drawer settings. So you just have to toggle it on. Here you see it's written that newly downloaded apps will be added to the home screen. So this was such an easy fix for this issue. You can do one more thing. Go to your phone's settings and go to all of the apps list. Now open the app list and search for system launcher. Here you see the system launcher. Click on this, go to its storage usage and clear all of the cache data. I hope this video was helpful and solved your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.